Ka jingïalang medon burom kalalong hak Nongtrei kam jong MLA North Shillong hakabau rasam ki Work Order Nongtrei bat ki nongilam shnong kini ki Work Order ki nakabenta ki Kam Pynroi hapo Special Urban Work Program SUWP man penmi ya ki kam ki bakentop ya ka bam penbiang ya ki shnong ha constituency abakran hakani jingïalang MLA lapan ba baula Jingieid de ki pat ba ki badai ki Nongtrei jong bandong nong ni kman ula pen pauru ba kat ba ki wei ki pen kesan ba ki job de ki Klur mu ula job da Jingieid jong ki pat ba Nongtrei ula kyntu tyngeh ya ki pat ba abat ki nongilam shnong bakin peitngor ya ki kam balaai ula maham ba ki de ban pen scam ba kam kalong ka badai bat ka bahok kanang banam dan jingnan ha karukom tre kam bat ka jinglong jong kapalti ula ong ba ka kam ka dei banlong ka bahun bat ki bor shnong kim dei panai ya ka completion certificate Lada ka kam kamlong ka Biang MLA ula pen pauru jingdan kam ban penithu bat ïarap ki samla pule ki pelanang rasta Nongtrei ki bomyo kam ula kyntu banginam sha yaki makin sakma ne makin sogyo na kadahu jong jing bomyo kam
langit bakal ka Work Order kami pelat mata din ba jung pikiran basnong bayi bedon burong kabai Chairman Safat ipi sigat na mag-respect katanan baginon ka equal responsible equal and collective effort hagilo dibanta nakabanta ka jumba kabit-kabit people elected me people who are being my beloved electorate for this present and for the future masukuman bana ko akan keren menurut mesin hantam itu banyo ikawo ada hangasibat ngesiam berkira basong biye bukan bolong ken supervise lang ya ki compromise hago bini ikawo quality hago keren ya jingkul hago keren ya transparency ya asam luna po lamba jongpi kiban service ki work ada let's say 70% ngesiam baru isusu ngakaren ki members jong ke constituency kibaran aga left right hand cuma bagaimana akan expect that everyone will be receiving the work order it can be expected that everyone will be receiving the work order laban sans power kimde ba compromise no compromisation bana kalian jangan basna mereka pajur makin numday ban ay ka completion certificate kada ninyo ya ka job satisfactory you should make sure that job the work should be satisfactory should be settled balik kiwi deh kawan sutu madakam per jingtrei dan lengkap lemba kira basnong identify yaki educated youth unemployed youth really of frustration because of the job kini dan perhat kumnungin kay yaki kumnungin ay device na bakina jadi yang jadi bisa bakina ban like dulu kijing snew but kijing pensoi jong kan juk ka